Life's busy and we don't always have enough time. Let me show you how to make a simple salad in under 5 minutes that'll pair well with almost any meal and give you back some of that precious time. All right, so you take your arugula, we're gonna put it in a salad spinner. So get this added here for a little rinse. So now we're going to place the arugula in our serving bowl. All right, so next, and we're going to add some grated Parmesan or Pecorino Ramono. We like a lot of cheese in this house, at least my wife does. And then we're going to do the zest of 1 lemon, 1/2 a lemon, excuse me. All right, now we're going to set this aside. We're going to do equal parts olive oil and balsamic vinegar. We find that using a good quality balsamic is key. Definitely better flavor there. And then we're going to take a little bit of pepper, fresh ground pepper, and a little bit of salt. I use coarse ground sea salt. And then we're going to take the juice of about 1/2 a lemon. And we're going to blend that together really well. Okay, so now we're going to drizzle our dressing over our salad. I do it around the edge, a little over the middle. And then we're going to take and we're going to toss the salad gently. And if you wish, what we typically do once we get it mixed thoroughly, we'll add a little bit more Parmesan to top it off. Enjoy 5-minute salad.